Well, hello there, my friends. Today I have got no makeup on and no skincare on, and the reason for that is we're going to be taking a look at the Next Beauty Skincare Starter Edit. I was just making sure I said that properly. So that's what we're going to look at, and I'm really excited to see what's in here. So let's take a look, shall we? So it slides out like that. I think you can do these as presents. Yeah, you can, look, because it's got a to and from here. So if you wanted to buy someone a little gift, you can get them a few little things to try and they can see what they like. I like trying things like this because, you know, if you're not sure about any brands or any products, you can try some little small sizes. So there it is, and then you slide that out and open it up, and there's what it looks like. What should we look at first? This thing here. I'm really excited to try these. Oh, I've never had eye gels before. I don't know, are they reusable? Directions: place one pair of gels onto clean, dry under eye area for 5 minutes or longer if desired. Discard after use and massage remaining serum into skin. So I think you throw them away after. Packed with hard-working ingredients to brighten and reduce dark circles, soothe tired eyes and hydrate. These hydrogel eye masks are here to help you get a softer, more youthful look. So I look forward to trying those. I've never had these eye gel patch things before, so I'm really excited to try that. What else should we look at? This thing, what else is there? Oh, this thing. Tiny. This is from Dermalogica. It's called Liquid Pillfoliant, and I've never tried this. And this is a deluxe sample, 3 ml. This exfoliant treatment is designed to encourage a smoother, more even skin tone with a powerful blend of exfoliants. It unclogs pores, brightens skin and smooths fine lines. Shall we have a smell? I read up on it and you've got to wash it off, so I can't put it on now. But let's have a smell, and then I'll use it in the bathroom. How do you open it? Look, the things come off. How do you get it open? It doesn't want to come open, guys. Oh, here, I think it's coming now. So yeah, you'll have an interesting time. And it looks peachy colour, bit see-through. There you go. That's what it looks like. Let's see if I'll smell it. A very, very slight hint of smell, and I don't know if I've opened this wrong. Look, I pulled that off. Oh, I don't know. It's a bit of a funny. I can't even get the lid back on. I'll just leave it like that and figure it out later. So yeah, I do look forward to trying that though. So it's like a liquid foliant thing that you wash off. Then what shall we look at? What else have we got? What's this? This is the Philosophy Hope in a Jar Moisturiser, Deluxe Sample 7 ml. This is, and it says it's a lightweight, innovative and fast absorbing. This cream replenishes parched skin and boosts moisture with its unique Hydroglow complex. It contains Norwegian glacial water, enhanced hyaluronic acid and pineapple extract. I remember I had a Lancome micellar water that had pineapple extract in it, and I really loved it. I really look forward to trying this. I'm excited about that one. I might put that one on now. This is from Ren, and it's the Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic Travel Size 100 ml. That's a good size, isn't it? I look forward to trying that. So this says a little glows a long way. Get your hands on Ren's Gentle Skin Resurfacing AHA Facial Toner, designed to exfoliate, brighten and hydrate skin in one simple step. Formulated with lactic acid and salicin, this best-selling tonic brings dull looking skin back to life. So let's open this up and try it, because this can be the first thing I put on my face. Let's have a smell. Okay, it's got a little, oh, it's got a little hole there where you squirt it out. Put it on a little cotton pad. Let's have a smell. It smells nice. It reminds me of oranges, I think. I mean, maybe it's because it is looking orange. Maybe it makes me think of oranges because it looks orange. It does smell really nice. I like it. So let's pat this on my face. Feels nice and cooling. I like it. I'm just wondering if it is going to do, like, make my face go red at all because of the ingredients. I usually like spraying toners on, but as this one's got the, you know, exfoliating ingredients in it, I don't think that's a good idea to spray it on. So I won't spray this one on. This one can be one that I put on with a pad. I really like the smell of that. I like that. Beautiful. I'm pleased with that. I need to put serum on, but there's not a serum in here. I'm going to show you one that I got recently. These are some samples that I got, and I've cut it at the wrong end. It should be that way up. This is the Whoa skincare range from Next. I got a whole pack of samples, and I showed it in a haul a little while ago. But now I'm testing this out. This is the multivitamin eye cream. And what does it say about it? It's got avocado oil and caffeine in it. Daily AM, PM. So use it day and night. Or morning and night, sorry. So I'll just squeeze a bit out. And there's what it looks like. And I have tried this already. And I really like the smell of it and the way it feels on my eyes. It feels really hydrating. I prefer it to the other cream, eye cream that I've been using recently. I don't know how much this costs to buy, but I think I will be looking. I'll be having a look because I'm pleased with this sample. It feels nice and thin, but because I get really tired eyes, like I feel really tired a lot, and I like a refreshing eye cream, and this one does feel refreshing and it smells nice. Just put a bit in the corner there. So yeah, I'm pleased with that as well. These didn't come in the box, by the way, they came in a separate box. And then another thing I've got is the Whoa Vitamin C Serum, and I'm going to be putting that on because there's not a serum in this box either. So that's got vitamin C, caffeine and hyaluronic acid in it. So I'll put a bit of this on, and this is clear. I'll show you. And it does have a nice, they're not highly perfumed. It feels nice and fresh. Nothing floral or anything. You know, you get some brands that got those floral smells. I'm not keen on those. I'll put some on my neck. Mustn't forget your neck, guys. Don't forget your neck. Put a little bit there. And it feels lovely. It's lightweight. It reminds me of more, I don't know. Yeah, it's quite watery. It's lovely. So I like that as well. Might be looking into this Whoa skincare. I like the sound of the ingredients in these, so I'll probably be looking into these. Might buy some. Right, so we'll move on now. Shall we have a look at this big thing here. This is full size. Look at that whopper. This is the Murad Hydration AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. So this looks fun, doesn't it? Intensive triple action exfoliator with a proprietary, I hope I said that right, proprietary blend of salicylic, lactic and glycolic acids, polishes away dull, dry skin without irritation, reveals smoother texture and a brighter, younger looking complexion. To use, massage a small amount over dampened face and neck. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. For optimal results, use 2 to 3 times weekly. Avoid contact with eyes. Look at that, lovely big size. I think it's got a seal. Let's have a look. Yeah, there's a seal there. Yeah, it's got a seal on it. So I'll save that until I need to get a new cleanser out. Look forward to that in there. These are good as well, these boxes. If you want to use, you can use them as separate gifts for people, like especially when you've got a full size like that. You could give that as a gift. But I think I'll just be using it. So I'm going to take another thing out from here. And it is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. And this is a 7.5mm size. And I did look at this one because I wanted to check some details on it before I used it. And this one is worth £12. You can actually buy this for £12 on the Bobbi Brown site. So this is like a hybrid between skincare and primer. It says this all-in-one primer plus moisturiser hydrates and smooths skin. The nourishing formula with a vitamin blend of vitamins B, C and E creates a perfect base for flawless makeup application. With daily use, makes skin look and feel its best. Apply to clean skin morning and night. So you could just use that as a moisturiser or a moisturiser and a primer. So I'm going to put this on. This can be my final skincare step. So let's open it up. I've always wanted to try this. I've never tried it. So when I saw this box, I was like, oh yeah, I've got to get it. Because then I haven't got to buy a full size, have I? Because I might not like it. So let's put some of this on. So you unscrew the lid. And there's what it looks like. Should we have a smell? Yeah, it's got a very faint smell. I like it. Nothing in your face. You know, I don't like really highly perfumed things. So let's put that on, shall we? I'm wondering, I kind of like how this feels. Because I've got oily skin, I'm liking the way this feels. It doesn't feel too, you know, it feels like it's drying down to a nice finish. I hope it is. My face is going red, guys, but I don't think that's it always goes red when I put things on it, and then it dies down after a little while. It smells, it goes really well with this, same sort of smell, but this is a bit stronger. So they go really well with each other. I'm really pleased with that. Very nice. And then what am I going to put on my neck? I don't know if I want to put this on. What I'm going to do is, so I've tried that on my face. I'm going to try the Hope in a Jar on my neck and see what that feels like. So this has got quite a thick feel. It feels quite thick and it dries down well. I think kind of, you know, I don't know how to explain it. I like how that feels. I think that will make a good primer. So this one, let's see what this feels like. And there it is, little guy. And I'm going to try this on my neck. Let's see. Unscrew it. I'm going to put it on this hand because I might confuse the smells. I want to see what it smells like. So there it is. It feels light in texture. It's not as thick as the Bobbi Brown. It feels really nice. I like that. Some more. Don't be stingy on your neck. Get all around the sides there. I think that'll be a good one on my face. I like a light, thin texture because I've got oily skin. Hardly any smell at all, but it does have a slight smell. Let's get another bit. Very, very light fragrant, hardly anything there. So that's a nice one, and I like the texture. Pleased with that. Haven't found anything I don't like yet. And then there's one more thing in here, and this is something I've always wondered about. I've never tried any Emma Hardy. So this is her Plump and Glow Hydrating Facial Mist, Anti-Pollution. Helps to boost hydration and plumps up dehydrated skin and fine lines. Helps to protect the skin against pollution and environmental damage. Evens out the complexion, provides a soft focus and luminous glow. 30 ml there. Let's see what it's like, shall we? I'm going to have a little spray. Yeah, I can smell. It feels like it's got a nice, yeah, that's a nice fine mist. I hate it when they come out with big globs. And it's got a nice light fragrance. That's not floral either. I don't really like floral stuff. I can't say I hate it, but it's not my preferred smell. But this smells really nice. I'm not very good at describing smells, but it smells good, guys. I like it. Love it. And I'll be using that. And that was all of it. That was everything in the box. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a like and subscribe. And I'll see you again next time. Bye.